Meaning of ibis.
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 Ibis. Ibis refers to a type of long-legged wading bird with a long, curved beak. The word comes from the ancient Egyptian word hb, which means to stand, reflecting the bird's habit of standing in shallow water. There are many different species of ibis found throughout the world, ranging in size from the tiny dwarf olive ibis to the impressive African sacred ibis. These birds are often associated with religious or cultural significance in many societies and can be seen in various forms of art and literature. Overall, the ibis is a fascinating and diverse group of birds with a rich history.